guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me for another shave, another Tuesday, another shave. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Right, exciting shave as always. New soap in the den, and it's Lather Brothers, and it's Calle Ocho. There it is, and it's a beautiful, beautiful scented soap, unique. The notes in this are tobacco, guava, and papaya. Was it papaya? Papaya. It's sweet, but I'm getting a smoky tobacco. The papaya is like a candy. I've never smelled anything like it, and every time I smell it, it's different. It's beautiful. And I love the label. There's the label, and there's the ingredients. And it's a husband and wife team in South Florida, and they came about the soap because they wanted to take the ambience and the scents around from the area where they grew up. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to using this, and the brush I'm using is my Simpson Trafalgar T3 26mm synthetic. Good value brush. I think I paid just under £20 for it. It's a great performing brush. Razor of choice today is the Christopher Bradley KARVE 3.5 brass handle, wide bodied head cap, so there's no overhang with this razor whatsoever, and I'm using it on the C plate, which is 0.85mm gap. And I'm going to load a new blade, and it is the last of the new blades. I promised myself I'm not going to buy any more blades, but what? I need to stop browsing. Inside there today, we're going to be using a Astor, a Bic, if you don't drop it in the sink, a Bic Astor. I'll have to dry them out later, otherwise they're going to rust. And then it is in the wrapper. Fingers and thumbs today. So how are you guys doing? Okay? I hope your week started on a happy note. There it is, guys. Put it on the top cap, the plate, and the washer, if I don't drop that in the sink. I hope you had a good weekend as well, guys. Nice and chilled and relaxed, and thanks for your comments on the last video as well. It was a lot of fun doing it, it really was. I don't know why Mrs. B didn't see the funny side of it. It was great. Blade alignment is spot on. So 3 flicks of the brush. Now let's get lathering. Oh, I've got some in my fine accoutrements bowl. I don't know what it lathers like. It looks thirsty soap, so we'll give it a drink. Yeah, it's great fun doing that. I enjoyed it. I mean, I know we take this hobby and our shaving, our passion for the hobby serious and everything, but it doesn't mean that we can't have fun doing it. Oh. Right, to me, this doesn't look like a soap that will explode into a big lather. It looks more like a consistency of a yogurt, which isn't bad. I mean, I must admit, I like it when it explodes. It's more of a creamy yogurt, a thick creamy yogurt. I'll show you now, if you can see that. If it's not too bright, it's more of a creamy yogurt. Stop repeating yourself, Chris. Okay. Been looking forward to trying this. I think I've had it for a week or so. I've got that many new soaps to try. I've got to stop buying them. You can't help yourself, can you? See somebody else use a soap and it's like, I've got to get that. It's not bad peaks on it now that I've scraped it out of the bristles, out of the knot. Right, let's wet the face and get shaving. And thank you so much as well. Mrs. B's asked me to thank you for all your birthday well wishes on Facebook. I had to give her my phone. Bing, bing, bing. So she had most of the day, she had my phone. And it was Mrs. B answering them, by the way, guys. It wasn't me. Like I say, I had to give her the phone. Feels good on the skin. Yes, I haven't had an haircut. I know, I just haven't had time. Feels good on the skin. I would say scent strength. Out the puck, I would say a 6, bordering 7. Now, 8 or 9 easy. That's a beautiful scent. Let the water out. Tidy up a tad. Yeah, I haven't used the KARVE for a while. Thought I'd give it a run out. Right, here we go, guys. Bic Astor. Christopher Bradley KARVE on the C plate. First pass. Blade feels really nice. Really efficient. Not much blade feel with the C plate. I am going to invest in small plates, and I'm going to invest in the open comb as well eventually when funds become available. Love this razor. And it's a great site as well. You can custom your own. I know this manufacturer sites do it. You can custom make, your own razor. To your own style and preference. I think that's great. You're not just stuck with one aggression. Yeah, no overhang to worry about on this. Enjoying the blade up to now. I don't know if it's my nose, but I'm almost getting a floral scent. That could be the papaya. Great first pass. It's a lovely first pass. And I like the lather channels. I don't know if I can get it to focus for you. That rinsing. Is that focusing? The lather channels? Nice big lather channels on it. I like that. The mirror's a bit high for me. Throw in the mirror. So what's your shaves of the day, guys? And don't worry if it's not today, if it was yesterday or it's tomorrow. Let me know in the comments what your shaves are. I'm interested, and thank you so much for all your comments. As always for the video. I've almost answered all of them. It's just a time thing purely. But I really do appreciate it, and I read every single one. So keep them coming, guys. The more the better. Lovely soap. Lovely soap. And I'll put links in to everything that I've used where I can. So if you see anything you fancy, have a look. Here we go guys, second pass across the grove. That's nice. It is a nice blade. And I can't remember who recommended it. It's one of you guys. I'm terrible for names, you'll have to forgive me. But it's one of you guys that recommended the blade. I'm trying to think what razor I used with the other bick in. And I can't. I'd have to go back into the videos to check. Got a memory like a goldfish, guys. I really have. I have lately. I don't know what sort of thing. It must be an age thing. Didn't have to agree. Oh yes, t-shirt has been washed. Don't worry. In case you're wondering, it's got that t-shirt on again. It's the official shave t-shirt now. The official shave of the day t-shirt. Thanks to Kim. I don't know where she got it from. I know some of you guys are saying this, oh, I want one. I don't know where I haven't asked her. Maybe I should, I'll let you know. Or if Kim, if you can look out for Kim Gray's comment, maybe she'll put it in the comments for you guys if you want one of these. It's a lovely shave. That was a bit hot. It's a mixer tap and sometimes it's really awkward to get the right temperature. Get right up to the nostrils on this. Always amazes me this razor when I use it. Great second pass. Slickness is good. Scent is excellent. Yeah, you can really smell the papaya, if that's how you pronounce it. I'm sure one of you will let me know if I'm wrong. And Calle Ocho, translated is 8th Street, in case you're wondering. And I think it's isn't it a famous street in Miami? So that's what this soap's all about, all the ambience and the scents around that part of the city. I wouldn't know. I would love to know. I'd love to go to Miami. Here we go guys. Third pass against the grove. Oh yeah. Really hear that cut in. Comfortable blade. Smooth. Good feedback against the grove. Sorry if the tap's noisy. I'm sure it wasn't like that the other day. Sorry, I'm getting quiet over there. What do you mean it's not a bad thing? I just get lost in the shape sometimes. I'm sorry, guys. Well, Mrs. B had a nice relaxing day. I took her to see her parents at a distance, obviously, with the COVID still. Still certain you can see people, but you've got to keep your distance. Which was nice for it. Couldn't take her out anywhere meal-wise because I was going to treat her to lunch and everything, but everywhere's still shut at the moment. I think it's April they're on about opening places. In Wales anyway, I think in England's a different story. I took her to a garden centre as well. She wants to start growing her own veggies. So that'd be interesting. She wants to get more self-sufficient when we move to Scotland. And this is her way of starting the process, learning. Where she's going to find the time to do it all, I haven't got a clue. But it's her project. I will help her when I can. But it's her baby. Now with the third application, the slickness on this soap is really good. Would I recommend it? Yes. And I'm not paid, I'm not sponsored. Oh, just a bit there. I'll get that for the pickups. Really nice. Enjoying this. So have any of you guys got any new products in? I know some of you have, looking at the shaving forums. I have got some products coming. But one of them's a gift off one of yourselves, and I won't name him just yet because there's going to be an unboxing video coming up when it arrives. It's coming from the other side of the pond as well, from the States. Here we go, guys, pick up time. Yeah, you can just feel it getting the last of the scrags, or the stragglers. Get me mucky words fuddled again. This is beautiful. So I'll let you know when the unboxing is coming up, when it gets here. I've got a new soap and splash coming as well. Nice summer scent. Nice summer scent and matching splash to come. Which should be here tomorrow actually. Cold water rinse. That's beautiful. Alum Block today. And if anybody's new, wonders why you use an Alum Block. One, it closes the pores. It's a mineral. It's good for the skin, closes the pores. And when you use it at the end of the shave, obviously, you can feel if you've missed anywhere, because it'll let you know. It'll be rough. And it'll let you know how close it is as well. Oh, that's close. That is BBS. There's no feedback. There's nothing there. Because the Alum Block will stick slightly. If you hit anything, you should hear it. But that is BBS. Wow. Excuse me, got it in your mouth again. Cold water rinse. Nice fluffy towel. Thanks, Mrs. B. She always makes sure after every shave they get washed, dried. That is a beautiful shave, guys. Look at that. Is that too bright? What a finish. That is beautiful. Right, aftershave. I had a choice, so I chose one that I haven't used for quite a while, and I love it. It's iconic, classic scent, Tabac. Beautiful scent. I love the soap as well. I'll have to do a shave with the full set, won't I? Love the scent of this. And it's made in a factory or company in, is it Stuttgart? Stuttgart, Germany. Pronunciation's awful. Like I said, I can't even pronounce English. Oh, best part of the shave. Oh. Floral. Sweet. Oh. Woodsy. Musk. Iconic. Iconic. Oh, do you know the other aftershave, the 4711, made by the same company? I didn't know that. I love Google. I love Googling. Better be careful how I say that. Put the top back on before I spill it. And I've gone today for going blind. Sterling's unscented today because I want to stink of that. Oh, it's beautiful. Masculine scent. That's all you need. Pea size. Goes a long way. Yeah, I don't want anything to mask the scent of that tobacco. A bit too much actually. There we go. What a shave, guys. What a shave. Beautiful shave. Most enjoyable. Great when that happens. It's uplifting. It uplifts your mood, it makes you feel good. Won't make you better looking, but there we go. I don't think anything make me better looking. Stop agreeing. I'm only joking. Right, Calle Ocho, Lather Brothers. I would recommend. Beautiful, unique scent, good performance. It's not an exploding lather. It's more of a thick yogurt. And that was something quite different for me. I enjoyed that. Guava, tobacco, and papaya. Beautiful. I'll put links in. The blade was smooth, very comfortable. Glad I got them, glad I used it. And we used the KARVE Christmas bag with the C plate. We used the Simpson 26mm synthetic brush, beautiful. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Leave your comments below. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for the new subscribers. And thanks to you guys as the regular viewers and the subscribers. Thank every one of you. Thank you so much. And I'll see you on the next shave on Friday. Have a great week, guys, and stay safe and have some smooth shaves. I'll see you then. Bye now.